Buongiorno, buongiorno, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Csenge, your personal stylist from Milan, and you are watching the Varied Milano. I've been thinking that as it's really hot outside right now, I could create you a video, a collection of the most important and most particular, most chic, inspiring pieces of my wardrobe that maybe could inspire you out there. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Hey guys, a quick info before this video starts. This is a collaboration with Szanny Side. She creates videos in the beauty field, so just make sure to check out her channel as well. So let's get into this video and let's start with the shirts. As you can see, I'm already wearing one of the favorite ones. This one is a crop top that I really love because it's off shoulder, so you can just, be a bit feminine in it. And I really like it because thanks to its fabric that is canva, they say canva. I checked on Google, it is linen and not canva. God bless me. I don't know, I was always saying canva, but it's linen. It doesn't really need so much space in your suitcase, and it's, I think, really elegant, so you can wear it either for like a night out or for a dinner, or even just to walk around the city sightseeing. It's going to be always really chic, really cute, but at the same time really light and comfortable. The other crop top I have here, this is so cute, also off shoulder, long sleeves. The only thing that it's obviously a different fabric. This is chiffon, I think it seems like, and or something like that. It's not natural, let's say, but really cute. And these are such essentials that are going to be really useful for your holiday, or even just to walk around in the city. You're going to appear, it's gonna be really cute. The advantage of these crop tops is that you can wear it with anything, almost anything, that is high-waisted. The off-shoulder shirts that is really near to the first thing that I was mentioning are just so cute and so feminine and so comfortable. The only thing that you will have to be attentive about is that sometimes when you are having many bags on you and you're just walking, it can just like flip off. So just be careful about that. Regarding to trousers or shorts, skirts, I will be honest, I'm not really wearing denim skirts or denim trousers because it's really crazy hot here. Definitely, especially if you come to Italy, consider to wear as light stuff as possible. I've got a pair of really cute denim shorts that I'm actually wearing. I don't know if you can see. This one. That is really cute. I really adore it. It's large and I feel so comfortable in it, but definitely wearing it when the weather is not crazy hot, because otherwise I cannot survive in these shorts. But if we are talking about trousers, let me show you something. I love long, large, light trousers. Just like this one here, you will see, try it on. It almost looks like a maxi skirt, but it's a pair of trousers, and like it's flipping it to be a bit more, like, hey, I'm so stylish, I've got a pair of trousers that are looking like skirts, but no, it's a pair of trousers. I can do whatever I want in it because nothing is gonna be visible. And as you are walking in these trousers, the magic is the fact that as you're walking, the wind enters or you're creating some kind of wind, a breeze that keeps you fresh in the trousers. Rompers. It was such a nice new thing in my life 2 years ago when I bought my first romper, and then as a following one I bought another one with the floral patterns. Rompers can look so great if you find the right type of romper according to your body shape. I actually created a video about that. If you want, just check it out. It's really interesting so that you can, you know, have some help regarding to your shape, and from that you can just find out what looks the best on you. You know, the only thing with rompers is that when you go to the bathroom, you have to take everything off, and sometimes, you know, you feel like it's too late, but not. I hope everybody manages to get it off on time. Depending on where you go, again, you can match it with so many things. If the weather gets cooler, you can wear it with a jacket, or, for example, I really like the wedges to match them, but you know, sometimes I feel like it's a bit too much because, you know, you're even tall, your legs are turning to be really long, and you feel like people are watching you, so sometimes I'm just matching them with like slippers or something, like a pair of flat sandals, so that, you know, I feel more comfortable. Let's talk about beach wear. Yes, I am talking about this. I was looking for the right seaside dress for such a long time. It looks so hippie, and with the lace, I think it looks so much more decorated, and I really enjoy wearing this one. Super extremely light fabric. I really like the fact that the lace is going really high on the side. It's called vedo non vedo. That is like showing a lot of your legs, but still not too much. Regarding to bags, I usually wear the same bags as usual, but I've got a super summery one. Is this one. I love it. I got it last year and I love the color. It's actually my season color, so I would definitely recommend it to you to get the color of your season. But this is just such a nice accessory. You don't really have to wear anything as jewelry or anything. This is going to make your outfit much more stylish. One wardrobe essential that you shouldn't miss ever is having a good summer jacket, because yes, sometimes it can get so cool in the evening, and having something really simple like this denim jacket is so important. You can just match it with anything without any problems, but if you like more particular things, you can get something like this. This is much more having a style, and you have to match it with the correct things in order to look great. Instead, this one is really simple, and so you can match it with almost anything you want. The next one I want to talk about is I am in love with this dress. This is actually new in my wardrobe, and I swear one of the best things, one of the best purchases I ever made. It is so light, so soft, and so comfortable. And also, having a dress like this is going to be always a unique piece because it's simplicity. Again, it's something that you can wear anywhere, to the seaside, to the city, to the mountains, whatever location you're going to go. This is going to be there to help you out even in hot, crazy hot weather. Espadrilles. I would definitely say that these are essentials. These are so fashion since a couple of years, and I really adore them. I've got flats, I've got heels, I've got the wedges, and I think these are one of the best things to wear around. Definitely not for sightseeing, because it's just, I don't know if it would be comfortable to wear it like through a whole day, but I love them for a dinner, for a lunch, or you know, just to go around a little bit. They look so cute and so summery, you know, you got the vibe. The next shoe essential is a pair of leather sandals. This guy is Winston Smith. So simple. I know you would say, Csenge, are you okay? This is just way too simple to your style. Believe me, sometimes to your wardrobe foundation you need things like this, and I really like it. It's just the comfort itself. you could walk out of the world in these sandals. And obviously we could not miss a pair of heels. This is my summer favorite, a pair of red shoes with long, let's say, laces. I think it's just so feminine. Again, it can be matched with jeans, with skirts, with shorts, with dresses, whatever you want it to match with. It's going to be such a nice accessory. Regarding to earrings, you cannot miss a pair of earrings like this, or just a colorful one. Like, I think these are making your outfit so much more fun and so much complete. I think it lifts your outfit to a whole new level, and it's so cute and so much difference with either of them. I don't know if you can see, I love it. Boom! You're there in the desert. Alright, the very last one, but not least, and really important. A great summer hat. I just got this one and I think I still have to figure out how to wear it in a stylish way to not look completely silly. I think these are, apart from being really functional, are so stylish. You can simply go out and wear whatever, even your bikini. Wearing this hat is gonna give the impression that you made an effort. Tell me if I'm wrong, but this looks really cool. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, just check out Szanny Side's video about the same topic. She's got some really cool ideas for you. I'm going to share the link in the description box, and let me know in the comment sections what are your favorite summer essentials. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Ciao!